Welcome to PatioKitsDirect.com. Today we are going to go over our pickup or our delivery system when you purchase a kit with our company. So today behind me, we have these ready to go. They've been manufactured here in Corona, California, and we're getting ready to do a pickup and a delivery to a customer's house. When you pick up or you're having it delivered, right now we're doing a couple deliveries. It pretty much looks the same. We hand load it out of the manufacturer's plants. We hand load it, and what we look for is we're doing a quality control as we're doing this coming out of the plant. We're looking for damage or anything that might be wrong, maybe some missing screws. So all that gets quality checked by our drivers. So right now we're just loading up all the materials. We will be delivering a 14 by 30 to the next address over here. So you can take a look around and kind of see the process on how these get unloaded onto the car, onto their trailers, and then eventually we'll strap it down and see what the result is. A lot of customers ask, if I'm picking up, what vehicle should I pick up in? Not everybody's going to have a trailer. That's okay, a truck with a ladder rack is a great way to transport the materials. If you don't have that, again, not everybody has that. What you could do is you could rent a trailer, maybe from U-Haul or whatever. We recommend something like 17, 20 feet. It's a cheaper option than renting a U-Haul. Some of our customers do rent a U-Haul. The safe bet is to have something secured so you're transporting this material safely. If you have a truck with just a bed, generally the size of these patio covers isn't really going to accommodate, if it's like a 12 by 20, it's not necessarily going to fit just in the back of the bed. So you'll either want our white glove delivery service, or you can pick up maybe with a trailer. So just kind of an overview of what to look out for. So when you are picking up your materials, it is so important we give you a pack list to go over and verify all the materials are accurate, because once you leave the facility, this is your moment when you're doing a pickup to accurately check if all the materials have been brought out. Now, Patio Kits Direct, we've quality controlled it, but it's always good for the customer to put a second set of eyes, because they're kind of, once you grab it, it's your baby. So just something to look out for. Make sure you go through your parts list and look at the labels that are on the materials as you're doing so, all right? All right, so if you are a pickup customer, a terminology in our industry is will call. When you are picking up your material, we need you to come to one of our hubs and pick up and sign the paperwork at our will call center. These people are going to be the people that help will out the material. If you're missing anything, they will rectify it for you, because sometimes that happens, it's human error. But yeah, a will call facility is a place where you can sign your documents, get all the information you need, and then with one of their carts, they'll will it out to you when you're ready. So, if you have a insulated roof panel, it is so important that, it's covered to protect, from any kind of damage. But if you're picking up, it's important on your trailer and your truck to make sure that there's no rocks, pebbles, anything of that nature. Right now they're loading up a little bit of foam, because we want to keep this nice and protected when you go to deliver it. And that's primarily our insulated roof panel. So when you load the material, we want you to think of it kind of like Tetris, right? We want the material to be stacked up in a safe way. So if you notice, like this particular trailer, we have the pans on the bottom, but everything is nice and kind of almost like, not a pyramid, but it's just a nice rounding, right? That helps with transportation. So when you come to pick up or we're delivering it, we're using ratchet straps. Those ratchet straps is what's securing all the material down, right? So you can see, like, as I shake this, the material's not really going anywhere. So it's important that you bring ratchet straps. We recommend like 3 to 4, just to make sure that all this is secure. It's nice and snug. You don't want to pull it down too tight because it is aluminum. It could collapse if you ratchet it too tight. But yeah, it's just so important that you stack it up kind of in this way where it's like a mound, and then that way it's going to hold everything in place. All right, time to deliver. Boys, let's roll out.
We got something that everybody else wants. We got something nobody can take from us.
All right, so we have arrived at our homeowner's house. We have our driver showing up right now, and yeah, we're getting ready to deliver. So let's do this.
Patio Kits Direct here to deliver patio.
Hi.
How you doing?
Let me show you.
All right, so we're here at the delivery spot at the homeowner's house. She has designated this is going to be the area that we drop the material. What's nice about this area, it's a nice flat surface. Now, something I need you guys to know, you don't always have to be home. You can call us in. If you have a gate, we need to know the gate code. If we're delivering in a certain part, we ask that you can take a picture if you could. If not, you can just verbally tell us over the phone where you would like it. We recommend that there's no dogs on the premise. We would hate for one of your loved ones to kind of escape. But again, when we deliver the material, you have 5 days to go over your parts list and to see if there's anything wrong with the material. That's not our policy. That is the actual manufacturer's policy to make a claim with the manufacturer if anything went wrong. So again, nice clean spot. We will organize that with you. One of our customer service reps will help you out with that, okay? All right, so we have delivered the material in the designated spot by the homeowner. What's great about our services at Patio Kits Direct is a white glove service. That means that we take it up to the customer's backyard in the designated area. At the end of this journey, when we deliver it, we document it. So what he's doing right now is taking pictures, maybe about 5 to 7 pictures of all the materials. This way we can have eyes out in the field just in case you feel like something's missing or damaged. So he's documenting that right now. We'll be on our way to our next delivery. So thank you for joining in today, and we'll see you soon.